When it comes to keeping our coffee machines in pristine condition, ensuring the best taste with each brew, and extending the lifespan of our beloved appliances, it's crucial to find a product that truly delivers. This is where the coffee machine Descaler Descaling solution steps in, promising not only to tackle the stubborn calcium and scale buildup but also to enhance the overall flavor of your coffee. With its 32-ounce bottle, this descaling solution boasts an impressive ability to provide up to 8 uses, essentially offering the same quantity as 4 individual 8-ounce bottles from other brands but with less packaging waste, and, notably, better value for your money. One of the standout features of this product is its universal compatibility. Whether you're a fan of Nespresso pods, relish your morning brew from a Keurig, or prefer the rich taste of espresso from brands like Breville, DeLonghi, or Jura, this descaler works its magic across a vast array of machines. It's not just limited to these. Even semi-automatic, super-automatic espresso machines, and popular coffee makers from Philips, Gaggia, Moccamaster, and more are covered. This wide-ranging compatibility ensures that no matter your coffee machine of choice, you're equipped with a reliable cleaning solution. The formula itself is crafted with the coffee aficionado in mind. Utilizing a potent blend that emphasizes natural calcium and scale removal, it offers a compelling alternative to the traditional descaling tablets, powders, and pods available on the market. The aim here is straightforward: to purge your coffee machine of any elements that could tarnish the taste of your coffee, including calcium buildups and oil residues. By doing so, it not only promises a cleaner machine but also a noticeable improvement in. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.